What's the meaning of Caernarfon? Caernarfon. Caernarfon.
Caernarfon. Caernarfon. Caernarfon is a town in North Wales that has a rich cultural and historical significance. The name Caernarfon derives from the Welsh words Caer meaning fortress and Narfon, which refers to the river Ceant that flows through the town. The town is famous for its impressive 13th-century castle, which was built by King Edward I as part of his conquest of Wales. The castle and the town have been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to their cultural and historical importance. Today, Caernarfon is a popular tourist destination, with visitors drawn to the town's fascinating history, beautiful scenery, and vibrant Welsh culture.